Somewhere inside the Swiss Alps, an entire fighter jet fleet disappears into solid rock. This is Meiringen Air Base. Built in 1941 in a steep alpine valley in the canton of Bern. Switzerland's neutrality has always been backed by serious military preparation, not just diplomacy. These underground shelters are called aircraft caverns, or Flugzeugkaverne in German. At the height of the Cold War, Switzerland built 6 of these cavern complexes across the country. The Meiringen cavern was rebuilt and expanded at a cost of around 120 million Swiss francs. That renovation was needed to accommodate the heavier F-18 Hornet fighters flown today. The Meiringen tunnel network can shelter up to 22 FA-18 jets at once. Older caverns used overhead cranes to move aircraft, since lifting heavy jets by hand wasn't practical. Engineers eventually built a second connecting tunnel, letting jets drive straight through without cranes. Massive reinforced doors seal the tunnel entrances, blending into the mountainside when closed. When scrambled, the doors slide open and jets roll straight out onto the runway. Meiringen's single runway runs parallel to the Aar River, squeezed tightly between mountain walls. Fighter Squadron 11, nicknamed the Tigers, has called this base home since 2006. Around 200 personnel keep the base running, maintaining aircraft deep inside the mountain. Some tunnels were never used for aircraft at all, instead becoming secure ammunition storage. Earlier generations of Swiss jets, like the Hawker Hunter, were also sheltered in these same mountain systems. Sion Air Base, another cavern-equipped site, was closed down back in 2016. Today, only 3 fighter bases remain active: Meiringen, Payerne, and Emmen. Meiringen remains the only base still using its cavern system for daily fighter operations. Payerne hosts the other 2 FA-18 squadrons, operating from more conventional above-ground facilities. Even with mountain shelters, exposed runways remain vulnerable to long-range strikes in wartime. That's why Switzerland occasionally trains its pilots to land and take off from ordinary highways. Exercise Alpha 1 tested this exact scenario, closing a public motorway for FA-18 operations. Switzerland has since selected the F-35A as its next fighter, raising new questions about these old caverns. Engineers are now studying whether the Meiringen cavern can be adapted to house the F-35. Maintaining this kind of infrastructure isn't cheap, but Switzerland has never treated it as optional. It reflects a broader doctrine: total defense, prepared to survive even continental-scale conflict. Remarkably, parts of this once secret system are now open to the public through a small on-base museum. In the end, Switzerland's neutrality was never just a policy. It was built, quite literally, into stone.